life with a fucking annoying cat. I think she's a parrot. Wait, what are you doing? You? Your face? What is it? Gonna get down? You gonna get down? Or no? Are you gonna get down? Who's a good girl? I think you should get down. I think you should get down. Where are you going? Who's that? I know. I know. Who's that? Who's that? And who's that in the mirror? You gonna fuck off? No. Are you gonna fuck off? Are you gonna fuck off? I'll drop you. I'll drop you. What is it? Come over here. Come here. Yeah. I don't want to sniff you. Come here. What is that big fucking glowing thing? Is it the sun? No, it's not. There's a fucking drawing away. Yeah, no. I'm coming over. Come on. Ow! Jesus Christ, that hurts. Yeah, I know. Move your bum out my face. Move your bum out my face. Thank you.